Hello again, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be going back to headphones. So we have this model from JBL Tune 720 Bluetooth. So wireless Bluetooth headset for the mobile phones. Okay, so the reason why we picked this was reasonably cheap. We're talking about under 100 euros and it has some good qualities. It can charge up to 3 hours in just 5 minutes, so fast charging. It has quite good earmuffins. You know I like earmuffins.
Earmuffs.
It will isolate a noise quite good. There's the Equalizer from the software and playback controls on the headset itself, so you can play, stop and change tunes. That's about it. Let's unbox it. Just change this. There. Like a glove. Nothing here. Headphones. USB-A, USB-C charging cable, 10 centimeters. Oh, much nicely to my shirt also. What's here? 3.5 millimeter audio cable. So if you have some wired devices that you need to connect it, you can use this also there. While we are at it, I have to give credit to JBL about the packing. Only plastic here is this that you use in stores to hang it to the shelves. Other than that, that's all just paper or soy ink or something like that. So yeah, cardboard. So it's easy to recycle.
That's very good.
That's very good. Okay. These kind of a heavy isolate the noise, so that's good when in public transit, so you don't have to listen to what the guy is talking in next chair, basically. Key selling point for me. Power, audio cable, volume, play stop, and the USB-C for charging is on the top. But since that's it, let's put them up and pair them and listen.
Do they feel comfortable?
They are quite. I think that my head is too big for these. Like with many headphones that we've been talking. I'm not saying. I think that for someone else these would be even better. And I like as these leather cushions really isolate the noise better. But my well, okay, like I said, this is something you use on the go. So this will isolate the noise, but it will make your ears wet. So this is not for my use in the end, but I do understand why they have gone with the design and the form factor. So I do recommend this.
The cat does too.
Okay, interesting. Let's put them on and change them to pairing. I will use my new holder. Let me turn it this way, though you can see also the app. Found it already. There's a software update. Yeah, alright, let's do that. 4 minutes. I need something to drink while waiting. Alright, done. Good. So as I said that there's the Equalizer, so where you can change the different presets like jazz, vocal, bass, club. There's a lot of these different. I will go with the bass like I always do.
Bass. Bass is a fish.
Voice aware. controls how much of your own voice you hear during calls. Oh, that's kind of a good thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's different kind of levels for it. Well, you can enable it and scroll it up and down. Good. I don't want to hear my own voice that much. Smart audio and video. Giving you best audio quality. Wow.
Shouldn't it always
Yeah.
give that?
Video mode, improving lip sync performance. Okay.
TikTokers.
Okay. Let's put that. Oh, you can choose it to audio or video. Oh well, I would put it on audio. But by default it was on audio. You can change balance from left to right. I don't know why you would want to do it, but you can do it here. Okay. Voice prompts, friendly. Let's see. Is there any chance that there's Finnish? Of course, there's English. Oh, there's a lot of. Nope, no Finnish here. All right, let's stay with the English one. Max volume limiter. Well, that's a good thing that if you give this to a child, so you can limit the volume that it puts out. Auto power off, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, and the support. Good. Okay. Basic, standard, good working app. Let's try some music. What we will always be listening? Unforgiven or?
Nothing else matters is our go-to.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. And the noise isolation is really good. I can pretty much hear anything you said before.
Oh, yeah, so you're gonna use
No,
those
I can
always.
see your lips moving, but I can't hear. Of course, the audio is quite...
That will save our marriage.
What?
Marriage saver.
I don't know what she's saying. Beats me.
The cat is trying to say something.
Do you want some love? Will you listen to Metallica with me? Yeah. No. Alright. You can stay.
No.
Good. But did you hear the... No. Okay, so these isolate the noise within, so people from outside can hear, comparing to the kitty ears that we tested before. Okay. In all honest, these do cost twice as much as the kitty ears. Okay, it's my curse that my head is too big for standard headphones these days, so I don't think that I can be a judge of saying what's too big and what's too small. So yeah, but these isolate noise. No one outside can hear what you're listening if you have a Teams meeting or something like that, and you can hear what people outside are talking about your marriage. Good, very good. And of course these go tilt like this, so you can take them with you wherever you go. So yeah, good headset, I would recommend. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys.